Welcome back to DeLorean Rental, your #1 destination when looking to rent a DeLorean Time Machine for your next party or event. We've got over 80 cars throughout the country, from Los Angeles to New York City, a lot of places in between. So if you're looking to spice up your 2025 event, party, corporate event, head on over to DeloreanRental.com, get a quote today. I've had this particular item for several years now. I have taken it out of the box before, and I've already preset this up. I've got the wire, the plug-in back here, but I tried it out once. It was pretty cool, and I put it back in the box, kind of forgot about it, put it away, much like a lot of my Back to the Future items. This is really cool. I was sent this from the folks at Numskull. They released these several years ago, this wireless phone charger, and it really is pretty darn cool, I gotta say, for any Back to the Future fan. Great packaging. As you can see here, you've probably seen these somewhere online, and maybe you haven't. I don't know exactly how popular they were. When they came out, I was given one to help promote, which I did, which was fantastic. And we'll take this thing out of here very carefully, or not carefully. It's packaged pretty well. So there it is in all of its glory. It's kind of a cross between Marty McFly and then the VHS tape of Back to the Future. And it's got a replica skateboard, his watch, as he's kind of looking at his watch from the movie poster. I think that's basically what it's trying to do. And the back of it even has the VHS back from the tape. It really is pretty well made, I've got to say. It's pretty cool. So we'll get it plugged in there. Look at that. The base lights up, as you can see. And basically it's ready to go. There's not too much to this. So basically, you just set your iPhone down on it. Boom. Charging. Pretty amazing, honestly. There's a ton of these out there, much smaller. We've got one beside our bed that's very small, and you just set it on there and it charges it all night. But this thing, I mean, it really does. I don't have my case on it right now, but it works very, very quickly. You set it on there and boom, it picks it up. So I think this thing is pretty nifty. If you've got space for one on your desk or anything like that, it's a novelty item, obviously. But as far as Back to the Future goes and collectibles go, it really is cool. And it really does work. It does form and function the way that it should. So you can probably pick these up out on eBay, or if you head on over to the Numskull website. Like I said, we might end up giving this one away. Don't use it, it just sits. It is really cool to have, so keep following us on social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all the fun social media spots. We may end up giving this away at some point to some of our followers and subscribers, so very much appreciated. Let me know in the comments, do you own one of these? If so, do you actually use it? It does form and function, as I've mentioned before. It works the way it should, so I think it's really cool to have. I may end up using it if I don't give it away, so we'll see. But let us know down in the comments if you'd like us to give one away, and if you would actually use one. So